Hey everyone, I will be showing you how to make passive income with AI flashcards using ChatGPT and Canva. Today's video, a thrilling exploration of a business venture that I am going to show you not only holds the potential to generate over $120,000 but also stands out in the market with almost zero competition. If you're intrigued by the notion of a lucrative side hustle that harnesses the power of artificial intelligence, you are in the right place. I am excited to guide you through the entire process from the inception of a unique idea to the creation of visually stunning designs, and the best part, every step is facilitated by artificial intelligence. But that is not all. I've got a secret trick up my sleeve that has the potential to set you apart from the competition and, dare I say, catapult your earnings to new heights. This unique strategy, when strategically applied, has proven to be a game changer in the world of entrepreneurial adventures. So, are you ready to dive into this immersive experience of blending entrepreneurship with artificial intelligence? It is a journey where traditional barriers are replaced by the limitless possibilities offered by innovative technology. Together, we will explore the uncharted territories of the side hustle, uncover the secrets of leveraging AI for business success, and unveil the key to setting yourself apart in a market hungry for innovation. But before we get into the specifics, let me provide a quick overview of our channel. If you're interested in staying informed about the newest AI tools and becoming proficient in using them effectively, you are in the right spot. Our channel offers easy-to-follow tutorials and is dedicated to keeping you well informed. Do not forget to click that subscribe button. Your support helps us in creating even more valuable content. Now, let us get started. Today, I am excited to introduce a game-changing business concept, a revolutionary AI-driven endeavor centered around the creation and sale of printable flashcards. Whether catering to the dynamic world of childhood education or the diverse landscape of adult learning, flashcards have long proven the efficacy as powerful tools for memory retention. In this venture, we aim to leverage the unparalleled capabilities of artificial intelligence to transform traditional flashcards into personalized, adapted learning experience. The intersection of AI and education presents an untapped market with surprisingly high demand and minimal competition. Our vision is to seamlessly merge the physical and digital realms, creating a product that not only meets the existing demand for quality educational materials but also pioneers a new frontier in the industry. What sets our printable flashcards apart is their dual nature, offering both a tangible and digital learning experience. This versatility accommodates a diverse audience, appealing to those who value the tactile engagement of traditional learning tools and those who thrive in the dynamic realm of digital education. As we embark on this journey, we are not just entering a market. We are at the forefront of redefining how individuals engage with educational content. Join us as we explore the vast opportunities that lie ahead and unveil the potential of this groundbreaking AI-powered business. Before delving into the details, it is essential to understand why this business holds such a promise. A brief exploration on platforms such as Etsy or eBay quickly unveils a substantial demand for printable flashcards. This observation is reinforced by data from Google Trends, which indicates a consistent upward trajectory in interest. Beyond the statistical evidence, positive reviews on various flashcard listings not only signal a thriving market but also provide tangible proof that customers genuinely appreciate and enjoy this product. The existing demand on established e-commerce platforms serves as a strong indicator of the market's appetite for printable flashcards. The upward trend revealed by Google Trends underscores the sustained interest in this niche, suggesting that it is not just a passing fad. Moreover, the positive customer feedback speaks volumes about the product's effectiveness and popularity. As we navigate through the intricacies of this business, it becomes clear that we are not just entering a market. We are capitalizing on a growing and enthusiastic customer base that has already demonstrated a keen interest in what we have to offer. I have discovered some remarkable success stories from sellers who are not only making thousands per month but have also accumulated six-figure earnings since the inception of their printable flashcard businesses. Now, envision the possibilities for yourself with the additional income. What adds an extra layer of excitement is the fact that there is virtually no competition in this space. presenting an excellent opportunity for you to establish a presence and generate substantial sales. Stay tuned as I will reveal a clever trick that can amplify your success in this lucrative market. When it comes to generating ideas for unique flashcards, you have two distinct approaches at your disposal. The first is the manual method, which involves conducting thorough research on competitors to identify gaps and opportunities in the market. Alternatively, my personal favorite approach is to automate the ideation process using ChatGPT. I recently explored innovative AI-driven business concept, and this particular gem stood out among the rest. If you are curious to learn more about this method and how it can revolutionize your flashcard creation process, once you have conceptualized your flashcard idea, the pivotal next step lies in transforming it from a mere concept into a tangible product that captures attention and aids effective learning. At the core of this transformation are the illustrations that breathe life into your flashcards, making them visually engaging and educational. In this phase, I will guide you through an innovative approach that utilizes artificial intelligence to generate awe-inspiring illustrations that stand out in the competitive market. Amid this creative journey, I have found Midjourney to be my go-to platform, primarily for its exceptional customization options and the superior quality of the images it produces. This AI-powered tool allows for a level of personalization that elevates the visual appeal of your flashcards, ensuring they resonate with your target audience. The versatility offered by Midjourney extends beyond conventional design tools, enabling you to tailor illustrations to specific educational themes, age groups, or even individual learning preferences. To provide a comprehensive overview and to highlight the potential benefits, I will also delve into a comparison with some free alternatives available in the market. While free options might seem enticing, it is crucial to weigh the trade-offs in terms of customization, quality, and the overall visual impact of the illustrations. The aim is not just to create illustrations, but to craft visuals that enhance the learning experience, making the investment in a robust AI tool like Midjourney a strategic choice. Now that you have armed yourself with captivating illustrations, the exciting phase of designing your flashcards comes into play. This creative endeavor involves shaping your vision into a tangible, professional-looking product that not only captures attention but also enhances the learning experience. To embark on this journey, I recommend harnessing the power of Canva, a versatile and user-friendly design tool that is perfectly suited for crafting visually appealing and engaging flashcards. Canva stands out as an invaluable resource due to its intuitive interface and an extensive array of design features. Throughout this process, I will be your guide, walking you through each step from the initial selection of templates to the intricate customization that transforms a blank canvas into a vibrant educational masterpiece. The beauty of Canva lies in its accessibility, catering to both design novices and seasoned creators, making it an ideal choice regardless of your prior design experience. Beginning with template selection, we will explore the diverse range of options tailored to various themes, subjects, and aesthetics. This allows you to streamline the design process and lay the foundation for your flashcards. As we progress, I will delve into the customization capabilities of Canva, demonstrating how you can effortlessly tailor each element to align with your brand or educational objectives. Whether it is adjusting color schemes, incorporating fonts, or fine-tuning layouts, Canva provides the flexibility needed to bring your unique vision to life. Moreover, I will share tips and tricks to elevate your design to a professional standard, from maximizing the impact of visuals to optimizing text placement for enhanced readability. We will cover every aspect that contributes to the creation of visually stunning and pedagogically effective flashcards. At the end of this exploration, you will have the skills and knowledge needed to confidently utilize Canva as your design canvas, ensuring your flashcards not only capture but captivate your audience. Elevating your flashcard business to truly stand out requires a strategic move, offering something of exceptional value for free. In a market where others are solely providing flashcards, imagine going the extra mile by incorporating complementary coloring pages into your offerings. This innovative addition not only sets you apart but also adds a unique dimension to your product, providing additional value that can resonate with a broader audience. In the upcoming videos, Be sure to subscribe to our channel to be updated. I will guide you through the process of generating these coloring pages using AI, allowing you to create a bundled product that not only captivates your customers but also establishes your brand as a thought leader in the industry. The concept of providing free coloring pages alongside flashcards is a powerful strategy that appeals to a diverse demographic. Children and adults alike find joy and relaxation in coloring, and coupling this creative outlet with educational content enhances the overall user experience. By leveraging AI, we can generate intricate and visually appealing coloring pages that complement the themes of your flashcards, creating a cohesive and engaging learning package. The aim is not just to sell flashcards, it is to provide a comprehensive and enriching experience for your customers. By incorporating free coloring pages, you not only differentiate your product from competitors but also establish a connection with your audience that goes beyond traditional educational materials. When your customers discover that your offerings go beyond high-quality flashcards by including free coloring pages as a valuable bonus, the decision to make a purchase becomes even more compelling. This strategy taps into a well-known and effective sales technique, the allure of receiving something extra for free. After all, who doesn't love complimentary items? Now, with this unique selling proposition in place, the final steps involve consistently creating diverse designs, listing them on popular platforms such as Etsy or eBay, and anticipating the positive results to roll in. Are you ready to embark on this thrilling AI-infused adventure in the realm of creative entrepreneurship? The potential for success awaits as you redefine the educational market with innovative value-packed offerings. I am looking forward to hearing from you. Are you considering starting a flashcard business? Were the AI tools for creating flashcards as accessible and user-friendly as promised? Your thoughts, experiences, and opinions are extremely valuable. So, please feel free to share your comments below. Your individual journey and perspectives can provide valuable guidance for others contemplating a similar venture, sparking their enthusiasm for generating passive income through the utilization of AI tools. Thank you for watching, and again, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. I hope this video helps you out, and I would love to see you in the next video.